Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to talk about location hierarchies. So in the previous videos, I show you how locations work. So locations allows you to group data in your account, and this can be by anything, usually by locations or geographic locations, but you can use locations to group anything, department, cost center, like anything you want to group your account for, you can do that. But in this case, I'm using locations to track properties like real estate properties in a specific addresses here. Okay, and if you cannot see this view, you can change it here. So here I have the list view, and here I have the icon view. So here in the icon view, I can see all of my properties, right? And if I click on a specific property, I can see the details about that property. But the nice thing about locations is that I can build hierarchies. And when I build a hierarchy, I can have one location be a parent, another be a child location, and I can even have third level, fourth level location hierarchies. So for example, here I have one called North Region. Okay, and if I click here, North Region, you can see now that I have three other locations under North Region. So, and how I can configure this is that if I click here on Bishop Auckland, for example, I see the details about this location. If I click on View Record, I can see that the parent location here is North Region. So I can change this parent location to be anything else to create that hierarchy. And that's how you will see that hierarchy work out when you're seeing locations. So you can see all the details here. In the icons, you click on the parent location, you're gonna see the information for the child locations, okay? So, and you can see the expired items and all of that information there for that location. So very powerful feature. So you can build these location hierarchies and group your data and do reporting around those. Hope you like it. Remember to subscribe to keep seeing videos like this that we post on every week. Thank you.